Good morning and welcome back to the boat. Tell you what, it's been a frustrating month with not having the work van, so not being able to do a lot of work over the last month. However, it's back. Got it back last week. Got a bit of work done during the week, so we've got a little bit of cash. But yeah, the van's back. All my tools are here. Just makes it a bit easier to work, you know. So today I want to look at a few things. I want to look at the stands. I want to make sure that the boat stands, because this thing's been sitting here for 6 years. I mean, I've only had it for a year and a bit, but this has been sitting here for a long time. The stands are, you know, they're chained through. They're on these blocks of wood. That one's pretty good, but it doesn't have a base plate or anything on this stand. And of course, Coop likes to dig around in here, and I don't like the fact that he's digging around in here, but I want to check him out. She's a bit rusted in the base. There's not a lot of pressure on the stand, which is really good. This one's got no pressure on it. It's still holding up pretty strong. These blocks are actually still really good for the base, for the boat to be sitting on. So that I'm really happy with. The boat is sitting on top of those. Over here, see, that's loose, that's really good. But these bits of timber are actually still nice. Oh, this one's starting to rot. I don't like that. This guy here, I would say, is probably holding the brunt of the weight of the boat. So this one's doing absolutely nothing. So we're going to take this one away and we're going to rebuild this one, so we've got a strong support to put in. This one here, oh yeah, it's got feet and it's on a board that's still solid. That's not rotting at all. That's good. That doesn't look fantastic because Coop keeps digging in here. So I would say that this one here is the absolute main support. And I've also got, let's get rid of that bit of rotted timber. This little piece of stuff. Here's a prop. Right, so we've got a prop. We've got one stand. There's a prop on either side. See, this one here, this is holding a hell of a lot of force as well. This one here is not good. I need to replace these ones. And this is a bit of a main load bearer at the front of the boat here, to bear the boat. So let's have a look at the other side. That's doing nothing. So we've got ourselves another prop stand. So this one here, we can swap with the other one at the back. This one here is on good solid blocks, really good solid blocks, nice and tensioned, but the bases are starting to really rust out. Actually, that looks okay. Look at that. What's that holding? That's crazy, isn't it? Although the welded part is still onto a decent chunk of plate. Might actually bring the trailer down and get rid of some rubbish soon. Now, is this actually holding something? I don't want to give it too much. Boat's actually leaning my way, so gotta be careful. What's that even on? It's got a bit of pressure on the wood. That's got a huge amount of pressure force on it. And this is our other main one here. So that one's doing a whole lot of nothing. So that's good. We can take that one away and rebuild that one. Okay, there's no weight on this one at all. That's the same as the other side. This is the opposite one of the main weight, the main support, and that's holding super strong tension. The feet look good, the timber looks good. That one's got a plate into this block, which is rotting, but it is compressed into that, but it is rotting. How thick is that timber? It's about 40 mil. This is why it's leaning this way. This timber's completely rotted through on this side, and that is pushed right through. I don't want to dig that out too much. I don't want that to sink. But the main force, the main weight of the boat is on this, and that's rotted. So we need to do something about this one. That's another episode done for this week, guys. Thanks so much. We had a couple of stands. Look, arc welding and me are never going to be true friends. I'm a MIG welder. But that looks pretty good. It's pretty good. You know, it's not the neatest of welds, but you know what? It's on there pretty strong. We've given them a good bash around, and they're holding really tight. So we've got a nice greased up adjust on both. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, guys. Until next week, when we're going to do a bit more work on these platforms. We're going to put some concrete pads in, is the plan now. So I've got the go-ahead from the owners here to drop a couple of concrete pads in for the stands, which is going to be so much better. And then we can have the boat not fall over for another year. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.